Hello YouTube, today I will show you how to move an image around freely in Microsoft Word. So here I have my blank paper, and we are going to use a picture of bacon. So you just copy the image, paste the image, Control V, and you want to move it around freely on the page to like print it in the center or whatever. But you'll notice that no, it doesn't work. And the only way to move it would be using the space and enter keys, which is really annoying. So what you do is then click the image, go to Format, Text Wrapping, and you don't have to have any text. Then you just do Square, is what I use all the time, and you'll notice that it moves around freely on the page. You can then resize it, move it, and then whoa. Yeah, so you can do that. And that is how you move images freely in Microsoft Word.